So the theme of my presentation is HVAC and beyond in Sidwal Refrigeration. So many of you already know it. We are present in HVAC for rolling stock industry. So we are going to talk more about HVAC, what the journey we have started now. So my presentation into various slides. The first slide is about the group. As all of you know that we are part of the Amber Group. Amber is the main umbrella company. And Sidwal is the subsidiary of the Amber Group. And this organization is being taken over by Amber in the year 2019. And initially it was taken 80%. In the year 2020, it is 100% acquired by Amber Group. About the group, the Amber Group is into consumer durable industries. They are very large and significantly present into consumer durables, into making the room ACs. What we see it every day. They are doing B2B business, and they make almost 5 to 6 million ACs per year. Not only this, they are making the components as well, which they supply to various leading brand owners. Let it be LG, Samsung, Volta, you name anybody, in fact, they are the supplier to them. So that is the prominent business of the group. Not only this, in fact, they have the subsidiary known as PICL. It is a totally very highly backward integrated organization. So they make a lot of components in-house. So PICL is the one company owned by them. They are making and supplying motors to them. The another subsidiary of Amber Group is the Ilgen Electronics, which is based in Noida, and they're very prominently present and manufacturing PCBA for this segment. So they are doing a lot of organic acquisitions. Recently being acquired almost one and a half years back is the Ascent Circuits. They also manufacturing PCBA. Not only this, they are also making a lot of variables and hearables in India under different brands. And not only this, in fact, they have recently acquired last year the Power One. They are into power electronics, manufacturing inverters, solar products, battery storage system, and other things. The recent acquisition is the Unitronics based in Israel. They are also into power electronics, PLC, HMI, and VFD. So you can see from this slide, the group is expanding largely into electronics. The theme of my presentation is the Sidwal, which is again the subsidiary of Amber Group. And what we are going to talk today is the HVAC systems. What is our success stories in the recent past? What is the new innovation? What we have done? What is the new market we have captured? And what are the new products we have developed for this industry, which is gangways, doors, couplers, pantograph. That is through TOT, different TOTs, and with JV, what we have done recently with Eugen for Eugen of Korea. So we are going to talk something about this for the group who is present here from various fraternity, from Metro, Mainline Railways, so you will get some advantage out of it. The total turnover of the group is almost 1.1 billion USD last year, and they have got almost 32 manufacturing sites all across India and almost 20,000 people working in the group. I did not spend much of the time here on this slide, so you can see the product what we make, in fact, the glimpse of the product what we make here. So these are the products what the group makes it, and which I said, in fact, they are making the ACs, which is room ACs, window ACs, cassette ACs, with a large volume, with a large B2B business, what they do with various customers. This is the various component what they make in-house for to develop the complete ecosystem in-house. All these components are made in-house, and that is what we are present in Sidwal into railways, metros, high-speed, semi-high-speed trains, bus ACs, and we also make for defense purposes. We are also into some precision ACs and other components as well. So this is the facilities which is located at the various manufacturing sites of the Amber Group, which is present all across India. So it is mostly present everywhere, starting from north to south to west. and it is located all across India, and they have got 32 manufacturing sites, and now some of the sites they acquired is outside India as well, that is in Israel and other places. Now we have offices in Europe and USA as well. And in Sidwal, what we are talking today is based in Faridabad. We have got 3 manufacturing plants in Faridabad. This is the journey of Sidwal, which is being, so not spending large time here. In fact, we started in 1991. The journey started with supplying AC for metro rail coaches or Indian Railways for Indian Railways. Then the first metro coaches when being built in India in for DMRC, the indigenization take place for the HVAC for that rolling stock. And in the year 2019, I said already, the Amber took Sidwal, and now in the year 2024, we have a TOT with Ultimate for manufacturing gangways and doors. So this slide is more important. I would like to spend a little more time here. In fact, what we do with mainline ACs, in fact, if many of you knows from mainline railways, in fact, we are present and we are the pioneer, and we do any new innovation which Indian Railway wanted to do for any specific trains, whether it is Vande Metro or EMU trains or Palace on Wheels or Garib Amrit Express and other things. So Sidwal is present for the first stage development, for approval, for validation and the proto making, and then we are present in the serial productions. Similarly, metro rail ACs, we have a significant growth. We have captured in the last 6 years. Since the time Amber took over, we have got almost 80% of market share in the metro rail ACs, and it is present. You will see in the subsequent slides. In fact, we have with all the car builders in India. The gangways and doors, the journey which is started with the TOT from Ultimate of Europe. They have a factory in China and other places. So we have also got some contracts of gangway and doors, and we have already started the manufacturing of these products in India. The Pantry for the mainline railways, which is also a very equivalent large volume item, good quality product being developed for Vande Bharat trains, LHB coaches. So we are manufacturing those Pantry equipments also in-house. And this is the journey what we initiated 1.5 years before we had done the JV with Yojin of Korea. They got a large market in Korea, outside Korea, in Southeast Asia, in many places with Hyundai Rotem and many other car builders. And so we have a JV, and it is going to be all these products, brake, coupler, pantograph, and driving gear. We are going to produce all these products in India under their technology, and this is a good market ahead of us. We also done some TOT with Kensinga of China for manufacturing side buffers and anti-climbers, and we have got some contracts to be supplied for Vande Bharat trains in India. You have seen here, in fact, we have got good success stories starting from the first photo 2022 when this Vande Bharat train set 18 rolled out. In fact, we were the first one in the year 2018. It got developed, then we started supplying this, and then we have the very large contract from Siemens for cab AC. We are the supplier, then we are suppliers for Vande Metro. We are the first supplier. Now we are the first supplier for Vande Bharat sleeper, which is rolled out recently. Everybody has seen the picture of the Prime Minister inaugurating it and inaugurating the line, rolling out the trains for Vande Bharat sleepers. And now we have also got the largest contract from Keynet for supplying the HVAC for Vande Bharat sleeper trains. Regarding the journey of metro is very exciting, where you need a lot of new technology, because it is the different cities require different product, the ambient is different, the capacity is different, cooling requirement is different, heating requirement are different, car builder is different, interface is different. And we have a good success story. Everybody can see from this slide. You see we have done RRTS with Alstom. Before that, in fact, we have done the largest project of India with BML, that is Bombay Line 2 and 7. Not only this, in fact, we got recent success stories with RS-17, then DMRC from Alstom, then CMR L108 with Alstom, then Surat Metro with Titagarh, then BML with 5RS Bangalore. So we are present in all the cities, whether it is Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. You can see our presence in the journey is quite exciting. Surat, Ahmedabad, and in Mumbai now we are there with almost all the corridors. Chennai also we are there in almost all the corridors. Bangalore we are there. In DMRC we have a good business already installed base there. So the journey is quite exciting, and we can say with proud that we have got largest share of HVAC for rolling stock in India. And these are the these are the various corridors, various projects what we have done for Metro Saloon. And this similarly for mainline railways, we have got decent lot of projects, and not only this, we have for CABAC as well. So in the HVAC line of business, we are significantly present. We are the prominent player among all places, all across India, all car builders. So what we are going to talk more, what is other than HVAC, we want to increase the wallet size into rolling stock. We want to sell more products beyond HVAC. So that's what, in fact, we have shown you before. In fact, we are talking of these gangways and doors under TOT. We have got good contract in hand. We are going to execute all of them. Similarly, we started with this project with Eugene, Korea, and we are going to manufacture all these products in India in a phased manner. All these customers are with us. You name any car builder, you name any customer, they are with us. We are present everywhere. And all that is possible because we have a good engineering team, we have a talent team, we are doing a lot of R&D, we are doing a lot of quality audits, we have a lot of accreditations. So all those things are possible, otherwise you cannot survive in the industry. It is very demanding these days. Everybody knows, in fact, the kind of metro corporations, and as we have already seen the morning and CRTC, MD speaking about all those things. So we have a lot of in-house R&D capabilities, and everything is in-house. We are developing the talent in-house, and we can say we are the world best into this industry. I want to spend more on time on this because the market is different and where the demand is very different all across from, I told you before, for metro projects that it is very demanding industry. So we have all in-house, we have to do all mechanical designing, electronic designing. We are also totally backward integrated. Instead of buying some certain component, we manufacture all the product in-house. That's why we are sustaining in the market, we are more reliable, we are more competitive, and we meet all the warranty expectations. So we do all the simulation software are in place to manufacture all this. And I told you already, in fact, we have got we are IRIS qualified, Silver qualified, and all the quality accreditations are in place. So this is what, in fact, I was wanting to talk about the product line beyond HVAC. So I said, in fact, the journey is quite good. In fact, we have got as somebody spoke in the morning about the gentleman from Indian Railways, that Vande Bharat trains, the 200 train sets being awarded to, this is the JV of Keynet along with RVNL, Titagarh along with BHEL. So we are the supplier to both of them for this pantry equipment. Our pantry equipments are already going to Indian Railways. So we have the technology, we have the product line. We are an established player into this market as well. So that is another product line which is going to give us good business in the times to come. And there are a lot of innovation and technology upgradation is also going on into this field. So these gangways, external doors, we have, as I said, in fact, we also got the contract for Vande Bharat trains. We also got developmental orders from Indian Railways for various trains, for Kolkata Metro, for some developmental order for Vande Bharat trains. And we also got a very large orders for manufacturing of external passenger doors from Vande Bharat trains. I mentioned about these two JVs. We are working with them very closely, hand to hand, for supplying of gangways and doors to them. So I don't want to speak more on this. In fact, anybody have any interest, can you speak to me one-to-one separately. So we have a good technology. We are also making fire barrier door, internal door. All this technology is well in place, and we are going to grab the market largely for this kind of product as we have done for HVAC. So gangways also, we are also supplying to metros with Alstom for Chennai Metro. Now we have got some good orders in place for Vande Bharat trains, Indian Railways as well. We are now focusing on metro segment as well for gangways. So these are the new JV. In fact, what we did it recently, we started our journey with Eugene recently for manufacturing. These are the market which is controlled by very prominent multinational companies of the world. So we are trying to enter into it through our JV with Eugene of Korea. They have got a very good product. They have a technology. They have got their recent advancement into many areas. They are very successful in their country of origin, outside their country of origin. So we wanted to join hands with them, and this is the journey. Maybe we know it requires a lot of time, patience to be into this market, and it is a safety and related items, but we have started our journey. Hopefully we will succeed more into this product line as well. So doing all those things, in fact, we know, we need to, it is not possible into a manufacturing side what we have it currently. So we are building 2 new large plants. One is in Faridabad itself for manufacturing all these new products, what we are doing it. So this new site will be ready in another 3 months' time, and which will be manufacturing HVAC door gangways and these items. And similarly, another with our JV with Eugene. So this is already in place. Thank you very much for hearing my presentation, and wish you good luck and bright future ahead.